David Smythe at Delicias Culinary Art, and we're getting ready to put the teriyaki chicken into the oven. But before we do that, we're going to preheat a frying pan. It's an oven-safe frying pan. It can go into the oven itself. And we're going to, first of all, make sure that this is properly preheated. So I'm going to turn the stove up to high, and we're going to get this sensation. I'd like to be able to feel basically what I can feel right here. I'd like to be able to feel similar right here. And this has been on here for a minute or so, so it's pretty hot. But it might take 2 minutes or so, 2 whole minutes for your pan to get hot enough. All right, and then I'm going to put a little bit of fat in there. Olive oil isn't the best fat, because when you're browning something, this is not the fat you want to use. The delicate aromatic that you like in its aroma is going to be destroyed by heat. Sesame oil is a pretty good one. You could use that. That's pretty heat durable. And you could also use lard, and I have lard here, which is called manteca de cerdo here in Costa Rica. And this is made at the butcher's shop. And there's no additives, it's not hydrogenated or anything, it's awesome. I'll use a little mixture of the two. So I'm going to put in a little sesame oil and a little bit of manteca de cerdo. Now over here, you can hear beginning to go is the chicken fat, and the tail from the chicken, and that's just beginning to release some of its own fat, and that's called schmaltz. Lard is pork fat. Now we get just a little bit of smoke like that, take it right off the heat. Adjust your flame down, take it off the heat. Now we have our teriyaki chicken, which has been sitting in the marinade. And we'll stand back when we put that in there. The reason we want to take it off the heat is so that it doesn't continue to splatter, and then that could create a mess on the stove. Look, it could also create a mess on your arm, which could leave some red marks. So here I'm putting these skin side down. And these are the 2 legs. They've been cut into 6 roughly equal portions. So that's the extra marinade right there. I'm going to use that in the cooking of this. I'm going to turn off this chicken fat now, and I'm going to return this to the heat. And still hot, so it instantly comes back up. This is going into the oven. It's going to be in there for about an hour. I want to move the pan a little bit, but not move the chicken too much. I want to make sure that I get some nice browning on the chicken. You know, the marinade is dark itself, and in the oven, as it roasts, it will brown. I want to brown it right now in some fat, because I want that texture, I want that flavor. And the precursor to the flavor is the aroma. And I can certainly smell it changing. Okay, the sauce itself, the marinade itself is developing right now with heat. And as the chicken starts to add its part to it and those things start to brown, browning develops flavor. So I like to be able to develop flavor in the cooking process, and that is culinary art, rather than just add spices, but actually develop flavor from the basic ingredients. And that's good cooking, and that I think is great cooking, and that's the difference sometimes between just good cooking that tastes good, or wow, where, how, tell me, show me, what, how did you do that? All right, so now I'm about to turn this over. We've got some browning going on now. Browning. Looks appetizing. Of course, what comes after browning is called burning. So you don't want that. Now we're going to brown the other side. You see there's a little bit of sticking there. Before that becomes an issue, I'll just wipe that around a little bit. Okay. Now this extra marinade can't be used for anything else because it had raw chicken in it. It's got to be used for raw chicken. That's where we're going to go with it. Alright, so I'm going to put this right into an oven, 350 degrees. Fahrenheit or 176 degrees centigrade. And that's going to be in there for about 45 minutes, I would guess. And then I'm going to pull it out once or twice and flip the pieces of chicken around in that marinade, and I'll see you then.